with you?
Oh shit.
Ignore it.
It's always gonna be ignored.
Go.
I know this one.
Words like love, happiness.
Come on down, baby.
Never seem to stand up, baby. I'll go back to the test. Yeah. You say that you're a poet, that your life's a work of art. But you can't play love by numbers, baby. You gotta play it all by heart. And baby, 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 it happens all the time. How you play me, play me, play me, play it with my mind. Baby, 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 you're making me go crazy. And if you call that love, love should be a crime. Love should be a crime.
You guys are awesome.
Honesty, it bites the dust. Every time I hear you saying, everybody, love is never lost. Yeah. Did you read that in a book? Did you see it in a magazine? Do you think that I'm some new age fool? Do you think I'm so naive? Yeah. Baby, 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 it happens all the time. How you play me, play me, play me, play it with my mind. Baby, 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 you're making me go crazy. And if you call that love, love should be a crime. Love, 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 love should be a crime. Should be a crime. You and me, suddenly, we got nothing to say. We got nothing to say. Words get in the way. And baby, 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 it happens all the time. How you play me, play me, play me, since you're playing with my mind. Baby, 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 you're making me go crazy. Yeah. And if you call that love, then all it was a pocket full of nothing but a suicidal gun. If you call that love, then love. Sure. It just feels better.
Sounds better too. Woo woo!
Cannot make us laugh.
Woo!
That song, you have to sing.
My bad.
Well, I think they're laughing because they see me trying to fix my braces.
Yeah.
Like, and it's like messing up my whole mouth structure, so I have to kind of move it out so I can make them do sound.
I would
Heather knows
never
all about
laugh at you for that. I would never laugh.
We're gonna point it out. What's next?
Can you sing Take Me Under?
Dance break.
Yeah.
Can you sing Take Me Under? Take Me Under? Anyone?
Take me under it?
I've never heard the acoustic one live.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Well,
girl.
Let's try it out. Would you bear with us, or will you just like
course.
work out a little bit?
No, we're gonna do it now. Do it anyway.
No, we have much better things to do. We got places to be.
Alright, we'll try it.
Someone keeps falling from the train.
I got the next one.
You singing too? No.
My mind is suffocated by your deep sigh. The scent of you has got me so bright. Why can't I be with you full time? You bring me under.
Thoughts of mine, we'll meet in time, reminded to find it. But for now, I like it when you bring me under. Know so well
you, the things that you do won't leave my mind soon.
I came to you with the broken view of what my life should be. You carry me subconsciously. Oh, can't wait to wrap myself in you. I like it when you bring me under, girl, I know you so well. I love it when we get down, down. Oh, can't you tell? I know you know when I first met you, baby, my heart fell. I love it when you take me down, down under your spell.
When I look into your eyes, my mind just don't
All right,
know
go
what
ahead,
to do.
do it.
It's a crazy thing, got me all in a trance, wanna dance in the streets with you. And you got it going on, flowing on, girl, you never showed me wrong. Make a fella wanna go write a song and give you all my publishing. I'ma go where you wanna go, run wild, have fun like a carnival. 'Cause I think I'm in love with you, and before I never knew that I was. So I can't recall, not at all, the last time a girl made me fall so deep that I have withdrawal. So don't stop, girl.
I was waiting for him to be like, you're way too high. I'm like, he knows I started too high. He knows I did. No, damn it. I could feel him in the back, like, making that eye.
Well, I think you're
I'm definitely one.
Woo! I'm warmed up. Yep.
Sure, that one. Oh, I got this.
after that.
Show me the way. The way to your soul. And I'll show you the dream that I had to let go. Oh, I've been too long. Been too long on my own. But I'm gonna walk down this road till the light in your heart leads me.
Eric Estrada.
Yeah. Woo! The David Daniel, I love.
Got enough strength to lose. I can feel my blood running colder. Now you're gone.
And I'm gonna love you down till there's nothing. You got me in the fire, red light. Because you love to say yes, you love to say no, with a glare that can turn man to stone. Yes, I'm buried alive, you're the hardest hand I've had to hold.
Still I'm alone. Still I'm alone. No way to say, no way to take. No one to follow, no one to follow. Only these words in my head, and there ain't no direction, yeah. But I know where I'm at, baby, yeah. I'm gonna cross all the lines till there's nothing that's holding us back. Yeah.
Far too much weight on my shoulders, not enough strength to move on. And I can feel my blood running colder. Now you're gone, and I'm gonna love you down till there's nothing. You got me in the fire, red lights. Because you love to say yes, you love to say no, with a glare that can turn man to stone. Yes, I'm buried alive, you're the hardest hand I've had to hold. buried alive. You're the hardest hand I've had to hold. I've got to learn to survive with the hardest hand I've had to hold.